This mechanical keyboard has been making some crazy waves amongst the tech community. I mean, just take a look at what my friends have produced in some of these shots. It's no doubt that this is a seriously good looking keyboard, but do you know what looks even better? The K next to the sub count on YouTube. I just want to thank each and every one of you guys who hit the subscribe button and pushed me above 1000 subscribers. While we should celebrate our small wins, it's time to take this channel to the next level. I'm going for the 10,000 sub mark by the end of next year, and it's up to you guys to help me now. But back to the video. The guys over at NuPhy were kind enough to send me out their new mechanical keyboard, and I've immediately fallen in love with it. From its ultra slim design to its carefully selected keycap colours, it's a work of art. But I want to check out this keyboard in 3 main different areas: design, quality, and function. Straight off the bat, we can all agree upon one thing: the design of this keyboard is absolutely gorgeous. If you disagree, you could definitely catch some of these hands. My favourite thing about it all has to be the choice of colours used in the base set of the keycaps. The orange and blue accents on the spacebar, enter key, and escape key really has an aesthetic vibe to it. And if you're not a fan of the light mode set of the keycaps, NuPhy also sell an additional set of keycaps called Twilight. While they look amazing, I'm sticking with my base set of keycaps. Talking about keycaps, this version of the board came in the brown switches, and I must say, they definitely sound a little better than the Keychron K2 brown switches. Not sure if it's due to the shorter travel of the keycaps, but just listen to this. Sounds amazing, right? But more impressive than the switches itself is the size of this 75% keyboard. It's 12.4 inches in length, 5.22 inches in width, and a crazy 0.63 inches in depth. 0.63 inches in depth. Yeah, I know, a mechanical keyboard with such a slim footprint. Just compare this with my Keychron K8. The sizing makes the NuPhy Air 75 look like child's play, but it's definitely not to be underestimated. My favourite feature of this board has to be the cool RGB cutouts in each corner. It kind of gives the keyboard this cool sci-fi look to it. On the back of the keyboard, NuPhy have added a really cool mirror badge. This adds a nice premium touch to the whole keyboard as it makes you feel like it's some sort of trophy. Other than that, the back seems to have a semi-opaque plastic cover which reveals the RGBs from the backside. Since we're at the back of the board, I might as well talk about the extra added magnetic rubber foots for the keyboard. It attaches to the back very easily and definitely comes in clutch for those longer typing periods, since the board without it seems very flat and can cause wrist fatigue easily. Now at first glance, this is a friggin' cool keyboard, but how well does it stand for everyday usage? I've been using this keyboard for about 2 weeks now and love the travel of these switches. Not to forget, this keyboard is also hot swappable, which just comes in clutch if you hate the feel of the brown switches and want something a bit more clicky. The Air 75 does come with Bluetooth and can connect up to 4 different devices at once, or if you want a better wireless latency, you could use the provided 2.4 GHz dongle. This keyboard comes with a 2500 mAh battery that seems to last for around 48 hours before you need to plug it in again. Talking about plugging in, this keyboard can also be used with a wire, so if you are a gamer and not trying to get caught mid-map, this will definitely come in clutch. But check this out, if you hold down the function key and the /, you can see the remaining battery life of this keyboard. I've been mainly using this keyboard for my Windows PC, but NuPhy have also included some Mac related keycaps, so just in case you're not liking the keycaps from your MacBook Pro, you could place this on top and it fits very snug. NuPhy has also developed their own cool carrying case for this keyboard, which also acts as a stand for your iPad or iPhone. The material used on the new folio is very premium, and the little stitch patch on the corner looks super cool. Placing the iPad on the pad alongside with my phone feels very sturdy. It doesn't feel as if the new folio will flip over. The keyboard is also very solidly connected to the case via magnets. It's quite strong and doesn't feel like it will slide off or anything. I could definitely see this being a thing if you were to travel to the local cafe or a library to work. It's super portable and very lightweight, which makes it ideal to throw in your bag and get going. For $110, do I think it's a good purchase? I definitely think so. Custom mechanical keyboards could run you up into the thousands, and as a beginner getting yourself this could have you running for a while. The design looks amazing. It would definitely add that aesthetic touch to your workspace. The aluminium frame feels very premium while housing the super clean keycaps. Overall, I like this keyboard and I might even sell my Keychron K8. Once again, I just want to thank all of you guys for hitting the subscribe button and helping me grow this channel above the 1000 mark. It's amazing what we can achieve as a community, and hopefully we could hit that 10,000 mark sometime in the next year. Drop a comment down below saying Team 10,000 and I'll know you're one of the legends who reached the end of the video. Till then, I'm out.